Welcome back. In today's video, taking a look at Philo TV's channel lineup. So what I'm going to do is list off all 40 channels that you're going to get as part of the $16 a month package, and also the additional channels that you can get in the $20 a month package. But then maybe even more importantly than that, listing off all of the most popular channels that you're not going to be getting as a part of this Philo TV streaming experience. So what I did is I took a look at the 50 most popular cable channels in terms of viewership, and I made a list of all the channels that you're not getting with Philo TV that are popular channels overall. A lot of these sacrifices that are made to get down to this relatively affordable price are done by cutting out things like sports networks as well as network cable news, for instance. But if you're not interested in that type of content, you get a healthy selection of channels here as a part of this Philo TV offering. So I'm going to start running through all of the channels that you're going to be getting. And then after that, like I said, going through the most popular channels that you're not going to be getting. So starting off here, A&E, AMC, Animal Planet, AXX TV, BBC America, BBC World News, BET, Cheddar, Cheddar Big News, Country Music, Comedy Central, Discovery Channel, DIY Network, Food Network, FYI, Game Show Network, HGTV, History, IFC, Investigation Discovery, Lifetime, Lifetime Movies, MTV, MTV2, Nickelodeon, Nick Jr., Oprah Winfrey Network, also known as OWN, Paramount Network, People TV, Science Channel, Sundance TV, Taste Made, Teen Nick, TLC, Travel Channel, TV Land, Velocity, VH1, Viceland, and Women's Entertainment. And then if you want to add on 9 more channels, which is an extra $4 per month, you're also going to get American Heroes Channel, BET Her, Cooking Channel, Destination America, Discovery Family, Discovery Life, Logo, MTV Live, and Nicktoons. But now, maybe even more important than the channels that you are getting are the sacrifices you have to make in terms of the channels that you aren't going to be getting. So again, I took the 50 most popular cable channels and listed off all the ones that aren't available in this lineup. So starting off here, we have TNT, TBS, Fox News, ESPN, MSNBC, USA, NBC Sports, CNN, Hallmark, Adult Swim, Cartoon Network, FX, Bravo, INSP, Sci-Fi, Freeform, Hallmark Movies and Mysteries, National Geographic, E! Entertainment, Fox Sports 1, WGN America, FXX, Oxygen, CNBC, HLN, and True TV. And I'll throw this list of channels that you're not going to be getting in Philo TV down in the video description if you want to check them out for yourself as well. But that's pretty much going to wrap up this video, guys. I wanted to touch on the channel lineup and the channels that are omitted from here that are pretty popular overall. So I hope this was helpful. And I'm also going to be making videos doing a review of the service if you want to check that out, as well as the devices that you can watch Philo TV on. So you can check those out over on my channel. Thanks for stopping on in. Subscribe for more. Hope to see you guys back here for future videos.